This is Lars Minsaas. This is assignment 1, GradingLogic. Just FYI, I've been struggling with my audio for like an hour and a half. It just sounds really bad, and I don't know what to do about that. I've been trying a bunch of different softwares, but I can't get it to sound very good. So I'm just going to submit this, and if this is not good enough, then I can redo it and try to do it again later. So yeah, thank you. So in this file I have a bunch of functions that compile in the final compute grade one, which then calculates the grade. And I have some doc strings that explains the code, some comments that explains the code in it. For example, here prompts the user for a response, which is the case insensitive and trimmed for express. So strip. So strip will remove any white space, and lower will lower the string that is inputted. So let's quickly just run this code. So we'll say yes, 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 yes. We'll do one. Not a great assignment. It was not submitted great. And then my student final score will be 4 points. So the code runs luckily. So how does the function stop asking questions when the user failed an early condition, like including the name and return 0? So in this case, for example, includes name. So does the assignment include the author's name, either yes or no? If response in yes or no, or in this tuple, if the return response is equal to yes, then it will get a true statement. We will get a true statement from this, which will then make this invalid. So we will just move on. And then if it is no, then it will be false. So if not, which is the same as false, if not true, then return 0, which will just hijack the whole thing, and then we'll return 0 as the compute grade and final grade, which makes the process very short. How do you deal with the fact that input returns a string when you need an int to compute the total score? So the way that we did this was that we just put int input, which converts the string into an integer, which lets us do something with the input. Could also done float, but that wouldn't really helped us much, because that would have we're out of 10 points. If you did 10.2, then would have needed to use floats, but we're not doing that. So why should you return the score as an int rather than print it? So the benefits of returning an int rather than printing it is that we can actually do something with the function. So if we're referencing the function later, then returning it will actually put it into memory, whilst printing it is just printing it, if that makes sense. So returning it is a lot more flexible, and it lets us work with the output from the function. Yeah, thank you. And again, if the audio is just really bad, let me know and I'll try to redo it on another laptop.